Hello and welcome, or welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can use Microsoft Intune to create update ring policies for your Windows devices. And as always, I ask if you like what you see on the channel, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you're aware of all of the new titles that are being uploaded. Be sure to like, comments are always welcome, share the video, and check out the description below for a link to our community Discord server. What do you say, everybody? Let's continue this conversation, but until then, let's dive in. Hello everyone, here we are on my desktop, and if you want to create an update ring policy for your Windows devices inside of Microsoft Intune, first log into the Intune Admin Center, then we're going to go to the Devices blade here. When we select Devices, we're going to scroll down under Overview. We're going to scroll all the way down until we find Windows Updates. Select Windows Updates, and this is where you can control a few different things. It might have additional videos that come out on feature updates, but we can control feature updates, quality updates, and driver updates. And we also have a monitor section here that we can do. But in this video, we want to do one of the skills that are measured inside of the exam requirements, and that is managing updates by creating and managing update rings. We're going to go ahead and select that, and you can see if you have any update rings already. You can see what's going on with them here. We're going to choose Create Profile, and this takes us into our traditional wizard where I'm going to call this West, US, and we'll call this Update Ring, and I'm going to call this for our pilot. I'm just going to call this because it'll be a pilot group. We'll call it Pilot 01. All right, and then once we have that, we'll go ahead and choose Next. And here we can define a variety of different things, including our deferral periods. If we want, like for our quality, right, and our feature deferral periods, right, do we want to upgrade Windows 10 devices to Windows 11? So again, another way that we can perform upgrades here. And again, we can also set feature update period, but I also want you to know that there's a few different things that we can do under the user experience settings, right? And remember where these locations are on the exam, for the exam, right? So we can define the active hours, the update behavior, and even configure some deadline settings as well too. Once that's configured appropriately, we choose Next. And here's where we have our assignments, and we can add our Entra group here. So we'll search for our group. I'm just going to choose, actually, you know what? I'll choose Help Desk here. We'll pick on Help Desk for this one. We'll choose Select, and then we'll choose Next. And here we get a review of our update ring policy here. And if we need to make changes, we can. We're going to choose Create. Now, there is something that I want to point out here. The policies up until this point have really just been about monitoring. These update ring policies give you actionable or global actions that you can perform on the policy across your devices that you've assigned these to. So select your policy here, right, and notice that we have some global actions that we can do. We can actually pause these, choose it. Looks like it might, oh, there we go. We just have to be patient when we can do it on an individual basis here. Feature, quality, right? Same thing with our uninstall, and we can do that feature quality as well. So I wanted to point that out too, because we usually see this right here where we can see the device and user check-in status. We can view a report, device assignment per setting status, and then see the properties and modify them if we need to manage the policy after the fact. So a little bit different there. Keep in mind there are actual global actions that we can perform on these type of policies. So there you have it, everybody. That is controlling updates through the update ring policies inside of Microsoft Intune. You know, I ask if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you're aware of all of the new episodes that are coming out in our channel library. Remember to like, share, comments are always welcome, and check out the description for the link to our community Discord server so that you and I can continue this discussion.